How to fix your game required a system restart to play Valorant. Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix your game require a system restart to play Valorant issue on your device. So then to fix it, first thing first, what you can do is you can always go ahead and check your internet connection. Sometimes if you have an unstable or poor internet connection, this kind of error usually occurs. Check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also head back to your home screen, and what you can do is you can just go ahead and open up your task manager. So before opening a task manager, make sure that you've completely closed your Valorant account. After that, it's going to take you to the task manager page. Right over here, you'll be able to see all of the applications that is running on your background. Right over here, you need to look for Vanguard or maybe Valorant, and after that you find it. As soon as you find it, click on the right click on your mouse, click on end task. If this is also not working, you can also go ahead and update your drivers. For that, you need to go to device manager, and once you're on the device manager page, right over here as well, you'll need to expand the page. After that, you need to go to display adapter, double click on it. As soon as you find that, you'll need to right click on the option and go to update driver, or you can just go ahead and tap on properties. If you go ahead and tap on properties here, you'll need to go to drivers and you need to click on update drivers. Once you've done that, this feature will update your information, and try restarting your PC and log in into your account. That might be able to solve your issue all at once. Sometimes if you have any antivirus in your device as well, that might also cause an hindrance. So you'll need to go to your virus and threat protect, or you can simply go to Windows security, and you'll need to disable your antivirus for certain times. So you need to scroll down a bit and you'll need to go ahead and tap on manage settings, which is under virus and threat protect. Here you need to turn off your real-time protection. Sometimes you can also turn it on. If not, then you can just try launching your application. That might be able to solve your issue all at once. If none of these seems to be working, then you can definitely uninstall your application. After that, you can reinstall it. So these were the steps on how you can fix your game require a system restart to play Valorant. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.